Hello, Math 24 students, and welcome to week 10. I want to make sure you know about the Zoom videos. So if you click on this Zoom videos link, it will take you to a page. And here are the links to all of the Zoom recordings so far, letting you know which quick quiz solution is at which link. So when you click on that, it will take you to the Zoom site where the recordings are stored. And if you need any other videos made, please let me know, because I'm happy to do that. It doesn't take that long, and students tell me it's often very helpful if they're stuck on something or just have a question about something. So let's go back to the home page, and let me remind you about the helps that are available to you here. The Algebra Support and Math Centers, the Sierra College Tutor Center, and Tutor.com. I'd way rather you go to the Algebra Support and Math Centers and the Sierra College Tutor Center, because those are Sierra College students and you're helping them stay employed by using their services. Tutor.com is an outside company and their answers may or may not be that helpful. They don't know exactly what we do at Sierra College. And then I also want to bring up that I sent an email saying, please remember that I specified sites not to use and sites that you're welcome to use, and asked you to ask me before you use a site to make sure it's a good resource. Because I think you'll find that some of the sources you're finding are way more complicated than we need to get. So I would way rather if you use sites that I approve, because I've checked them out and can tell you that they're doing things in the simplest possible way. Some of you are doing a lot of extra work and I hate to see that. So I also want to make sure you know that Chegg is on the list of not approved sites, and that I can get a report from Chegg that shows me exactly who's been using it. So please don't be that person. So as always, scroll down to this week's link, Happy Halloween on Sunday, and click on the week 10 module to go to the module. So this video will be there once it's completed. And then we have all the Canvas assignments that are due, as always, 2 quick quizzes and a shine quiz, a discussion board and a journal. And then you have 2 textbook homework assignments. So you might want to space out this work because it's going to take a bit. But this is key to the rest of the semester. You've got to be able to do derivatives in order to do the next several weeks of classwork. So 11.6 and 11.7 are the rest of the rules of derivatives that we need to do derivatives. Please feel free to only do as many homework problems as you feel you need to master the topic. Most people need a lot of practice with this, so I'm going to trust you to do what you need to do. And then you do always have the answers to the problem, so please don't turn in homework with incorrect answers. And then you have the textbook publisher solutions, which give more detail. So this week we have the 2 sections, 11.6 and 11.7. So you have course pack notes due, filled in course pack notes, but you'll see they're mostly examples, so they should be helpful. And then you have the lecture video quizzes for 11.6 and 11.7. So I hope you have a great week. I'm really enjoying the rain. The birds are still coming to my bird feeder, so that makes me happy.